Right now, your brain knows far more about your body than you might realize. It knows your heart is beating. It knows your lungs are expanding and contracting. It knows your stomach is digesting food, and it knows whether your body needs energy, rest, or movement. Yet you're probably not consciously thinking about any of these things. That's because your brain is constantly receiving signals from the body in the background, a process scientists call interoception. But how does the brain actually detect what is happening inside the body? To understand this, we need to look at the sensory systems that monitor the internal state of the body, because the brain is not only interpreting the outside world, it is also continuously monitoring the internal environment of the body. Specialized sensory receptors throughout the body detect changes in internal conditions. These receptors monitor things like blood pressure, blood oxygen levels, body temperature, nutrient levels, chemical signals in the bloodstream. But here's where it gets interesting. These signals travel through nerves and chemical pathways toward the brain. One of the most important communication routes involved in this process is the vagus nerve. The vagus nerve carries enormous amounts of information from internal organs to the brain. Signals from the heart, the lungs, the digestive system, all traveling through this pathway. And this leads to an unexpected effect. Your brain is constantly updating a real-time map of the body's internal state. But the brain doesn't stop there. These signals are processed by several important brain regions. One key region involved in interoception is the insula. The insula integrates signals coming from inside the body. It helps the brain interpret how the body is feeling, whether you feel calm or tense, hungry or satisfied, fatigued or energized. The insula helps translate internal body signals into conscious sensations. But the brain does something even more fascinating. Many internal signals never reach conscious awareness at all. The brain automatically uses them to regulate vital processes, adjusting heart rate, controlling breathing, regulating body temperature, maintaining blood pressure. These automatic adjustments are part of the body's effort to maintain homeostasis. Homeostasis means keeping the body's internal environment stable, even when external conditions change. From an evolutionary perspective, this system was essential for survival. The brain needed accurate information about the body's internal condition, dehydration, fatigue, energy availability. All of these signals help guide behavior. If energy drops, hunger increases. If body temperature rises, cooling mechanisms activate. If oxygen levels change, breathing patterns adjust. But modern research is revealing that interoception also plays a role in emotional experience. Signals from the body influence how the brain interprets feelings. This connection between body signals and emotions helps explain why physical states can shape psychological experiences. Once you understand this system, something fascinating becomes clear. Your brain is not only aware of the outside world, it is also constantly listening to the body. Every heartbeat, every breath, every internal signal, helping the brain maintain balance. By the way, if you're interested in understanding how the brain and body actually work, this channel explores the science behind those systems. Many everyday sensations become easier to understand when we examine the biology behind them, and the brain's ability to detect signals from the body is one of the most remarkable examples. Your brain is constantly monitoring the internal world within you. Vera Human explains the science behind how the human system works. Subscribe if you're curious about the biology of being human.